Welcome back to freehighschooleducation.com. Today we are going to do Algebra 1, Chapter 3.6, page 110, problem solving using formulas. We have used most of these formulas before. Today we have new formulas. The one on page 112 in the written exercises is P equals NT minus E. P here stands for profit. N is the number of tickets. And T is the price of one ticket, and E is the expenses. Here we have a situation where a school or like in this case a daycare center have a concert or have a show, and they have some expenses to do this concert or show, and they are selling tickets, and they want to generate a certain amount of money, and that will be their profit. So we are going to solve these problems using this formula. Number 3, a daycare center needs a profit of $600 for its show. So they need $600. And they want to get this $600 by selling tickets for the show. But the show costs them $75. So the number of tickets is not known in this case. How many tickets must be sold if the price of each ticket is $1.50. Here we have the price of the ticket, which is 1.5, but we do not have the number of tickets, so that would be 1.5 N, and we do have the expenses, and that's $75. Now we solve for N by simply moving the 75 to this side, so we have 600 plus 75 again. When we move a number from one side of the equation to the other side of the equation, we change its sign. And that's equal to 1.5 N. 675 is equal to 1.5 N. Here, our calculator will give us the answer, 675 divided by 1.5. And the N is equal to 450. So they need to sell 450 tickets at $1.50 a ticket to get $600 profit if their expenses are $75. Next we have on number 6, use the formula D equals RT. Distance equals speed times time, and speed here is referred to as rate. So we have a distance of 1716, and that's equal to RT. Here we have the rate is 264, and the time is unknown. Again, we simply divide everything by 264. The 264 cuts with the 264, so we get the value of 1t, and again we divide 1716 by 264, and we get the time. So 1716 divided by 264, and that's 6.5 hours. So t is equal to 6.5 hours. Number 16 on page 113. Here it says that the postal service have a maximum size for the package, and the maximum size is given by this formula: length plus 2W, 2 width, plus 2H, H for the height, is equal to 108 inches. So here the package will be accepted if you measure the length and then the width, and then the height, and you apply this formula. The package dimensions, according to this formula, should not be more than 108 inches. So we are going to do number 16. If you wish to mail a package with W equals H equals 1.5 feet. So now your package has a width of 1.5 feet and a height of 1.5 feet. What is the maximum length that you are allowed to have for your package? So we apply the formula. Here we have to change this number to inches, and this is done by multiplying this by 12. So we will change it right now, and 12 times 1.5 is 18 inches. So now we know that our width and height, which we are going to replace here, is 18. So length plus 2 into 18 plus 2 into 18 again is equal to 108 inches. So we are going to get the length in inches. So here we have 2 times 18 and 2 times 18, that's 4 times 18. And we can do this on the calculator, and that's 72. So length plus 72 is equal to 108. We take the 72 to this side and we minus it, so length is equal to 108 minus 72. Again, we move 72 to the other side and change its sign. So 108 minus 72, and that's 36. So the maximum length allowed for your package is 36 inches if your package already have a width of 18 inches and a height of 18 inches. So with this we come to the end of this session, and we hope to see you again.